I'm sitting here, looking out my window. The sun's breaking through, painting gold on the meadow. Blackbirds gather, flying in a flock, like a river in the sky. They dance like water on a rock. Oh, birds in flight, you're a melody in the air, nature's drama in motion. How I wish we could share, flowing like the ocean, with rhythm so bright. A moment to remember, oh, what a lovely sight. I hear the whispering of the autumn breeze, the smell of pine and earth, putting my heart at ease. I recall my mama, with her one for all. We'd watch the blackbirds gathering in the fall. Oh, birds in flight, you're a melody in the air, nature's drama in motion. How I wish we could share, flowing like the ocean, with rhythm so bright. A moment to remember, oh, what a lovely sight. We tasted sweet tea, sipping slow in the sun. I listened to her stories of where it had begun, the tales of our horizons, our dreams taking flight. Every word was a feather lifting us out of sight. Oh, birds in flight, you're a melody in the air, nature's drama in motion. How I wish we could share, flowing like the ocean, with rhythm so bright. A moment to remember, oh, what a lovely sight. Now I sit in silence as the shadows grow long. With every feathered silhouette, I hear a distant song. It's a story of freedom painted across the sky, reminding me of moments that never say goodbye. Oh, birds in flight, you're a melody in the air, nature's drama in motion. How I wish we could share, flowing like the ocean, with rhythm so bright. A moment to remember, oh, what a lovely sight. So I'll cherish the beauty in the dance of blackbirds, a story of love and life, captured in every word. Nature's awesome harmony, creation's beauty within, like those birds in flight. It's where my heart begins.